front.
No. Keep pushing.
I got it. Jamie's back there. Be careful.
Okay. She's right there.
Move my suitcase. Madeline, can you like pull that toward you?
Okay.
She's videoing. She's very important.
Oh,
Here we
yeah.
go.
That's true.
There's tampons and bean bags.
All right, I just need a little bit more.
Hope you're saving these chats, by the way. Save them. Stop.
All right, I need you to move up. That's what I need you guys to do so I can put these together.
Move that suitcase then. Move that suitcase from behind her. Take that suitcase. It's clean clothes. Okay. So she can move back because we can't move up.
You want this to move back more of it?
No.
Sure, should have this is wide enough.
Well, I think it is.
All right, well, I need to figure out how to get that over more. I have a bed frame. Yay!
It might not be the right size.
I am thinking it's a full.
But couldn't it just balance on the rims?
It may, but it may collapse
Rim job.
while you're sleeping.
It's okay.
Honestly, it may collapse while you're sleeping.
It's okay.
It's going to be a nice.
Alright, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull this side up so he can actually attach it.
Why don't you just put it to the furthest,
That might not work.
the furthest one?
I'll see. I don't know if that'll hold. You guys.
So we need to flip it over so it's actually, no, actually that's really good.
Do you want more of this back there, Wicket?
I would have done this in the kitchen the entire time.
It's okay. Nothing
I'm
dramatic.
going to give you more, I'm going to
If
give
it
you more
doesn't
room
work,
on that side.
the
I'm going to
bed's
give
still
you more
comfy
room.
on the floor.
Wicket, I'm going to give you more room,
Thank
so
you,
push
Jeremy.
on the left side.
Okay,
Okay.
looks good.
We need to,
Other
no,
side?
we need to kind of flip it down, then we need to fix
Uh-huh.
the front.
Yep.
The other way.
Flip it,
Right?
flip it
Are
down.
you
Oh
agree
sure.
with this?
Ready, set.
Wicket, I need you to actually your power on this side.
Make
no,
collapse.
because this is, I don't want to tear this, so we need to fix this up.
Okay. I'm gonna lift this box string
Okay,
straight
box
up,
string.
but not too high.
Straight up, not too high.
Shush for a
Got it.
second. Shh. Up
Got
and
it.
not too high to break the ceiling fan, okay?
I got it.
Up, 1, 2,
I
3.
got it. I'm right under it.
Just kick the bed frame out. Stop, down, down. All the way down.
Whoa, heavenly felt.
This mattress is knocking me over.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm holding, I'm holding
I have the box
mattress.
spring.
Holding mattress.
I have the
holding
box spring.
mattress.
Up. I have the box spring.
Thank you. Sliding because of socks. Sliding hard. Really hard.
We can.
What's happening? What do you want to do?
Perfect.
Okay. Madeline, where are you?
Madeline!
Where are you? Where are you?
On that fucking thing. Why do we have this in here? Why are we taking out
Let me do my
this
socks.
room?
Let me do my socks.
Wait.
Let's
Let's
get
take
it.
it out
Hold
of this
that.
room.
Madeline,
Let's
we're
take it
Behind
out.
my socks are
Coming toward you, Madeline.
I got it.
Doing this right.
Coming toward you, Madeline.
Madeline, direct it. Direct it.
Leave it.
I'm gonna get the underneath.
You have, this has to come.
Hey, Wicket, put this together. We can get this together and then put it on. So get that together. Me, Jamie, and her foot to move. Lee, we need you to move your foot.
Working on it.
Lee, we need
Dead
to
bodies in this thing.
It's a queen size pillow top.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, we got that hope, man. We got that hope.
Where's the box spring? We need the box spring!
Push.
Wait, we need, okay, push. Okay, go get the box spring. Go get the box spring. You and Jamie go get the box spring. Go.
Which way's down? That way's down.
This is really dumb.
I understand I have to move my leg.
Alright.
Flip it my way. My way.
Slippers are slippery.
No,
I'm
my way. No, other way. My way.
Your way.
What is my way?
My way. Move your
It's the opposite usher.
Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's my. Oh, it's my.
Dresser.
It's kind of on. It's kind of on.
Hold on. Wait, no, it's not on. This is... Jamie, fix this end. You're
pushing it into the wood.
There is
Jamie, pick this up with me and I'll move it.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. go. Here you go.
Getting closer.
Okay. Okay, now let's flip. Wait.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh God.
It's fine, and we'll move it.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Okay, now back.
Why did you need a bag frame again?
Yes.
That was so easy.
Yes.
Don't be proud.
Yeah.
I'm winded.
I'm so winded. I need to
You
get out.
two need to hug. I think we got into some sort of brawl in the middle.
We need to slide it.
I think we need to hug Brittany.